This industrious little shrimp is busy excavating his home. His oversized pincers are ideal for shoveling coral sand, but they also hold the sonic secret to how he defends his burrow. With such a sought-after location, he needs to be wary, because another shrimp has his eye on a new home. As the interloper closes in, the neighbors know it's time to take cover. Because these are pistol shrimp, and each is packing a sonic stun gun. Using the latest underwater microphones, we can now listen to their acoustic battles like never before. His specialist claw locks like a rifle and releases. By slowing down sound 500 times, we can hear what is actually happening. The shrimp's claw snaps with such incredible speed. It superheats the water to over 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit, creating a high-pressure bubble. And the bubble collapsing produces a bang so loud it pulses shock waves through the water. Sending the intruder packing. Relative to its size, the pistol shrimp makes the loudest sound in the sea.